Ladies and gentlemen, we've waited a long time for this moment. It all comes down to this.
We've got a crowd behind us, we've got a castle around us, and we've got competition ahead of us.
From around the world, the greatest Age of Empires players assemble here to do battle for honour, glory, and the riches that come from a massive prize pool.
He does it! Mister! With the trio! Marine Lord has done it! Red Bull Wololo champions!
We will see Hera! We will see the Viper! And we will crown a Red Bull Wololo El Reinado champion!
Viper will not give up!
Oh my goodness, what was that game, dude? This is it, this is the final fight here as Hera takes his long-awaited championship. The champion of Red Bull Wololo El Reinado in Age of Empires 2, it is